Hey kids, have you ever wondered how water comes down from the sky? That's called precipitation, and it's an important part of nature's water cycle. Precipitation happens when water in the clouds gets too heavy to stay up in the air. It falls down to earth in different forms. On warm days, it comes as rain, which helps plants grow and fills rivers and lakes. When it's really cold, it falls as snow, making everything look white and beautiful. Sometimes, you might see little ice balls falling, called hail or sleet. Precipitation is how nature gives water back to the earth to keep everything alive and healthy. So the next time it rains or snows, remember, it's the sky's way of sharing water with us. Isn't that cool?